focus on me.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Shianne and welcome back to another video. I look cross-eyed. Like, anyway, let's not get into that because I'm gonna start getting irritated. I've been rushing. It's Valentine's Day and I've been rushing around like a headless chicken trying to get stuff done, i.e. getting waxed and all the extra stuff that goes into being a woman on Valentine's Day. As you can see, my hair looks crazy. I've just taken it out of 2 braids and we're going to be doing my hair in, I guess, sleek ponytail with my better length drawstring. I've used that drawstring ponytail so many times. Let me just comb this out. Ooh. Before I start talking over it, crunching. Ooh. It's so naughty, but I actually had no time. Right. Now that it's all combed out, my hair is all poofy. But that's not how I like it. I need to put some lip gloss on my lips. Look dry AF. I guess I'm gonna be dry lip this video. We're gonna be using the better length. I don't know why my hair looks completely back in comparison, but it's whatever. It's going on the back of my head. Probably won't even see it that much. I'm trying to think if I should do it up like this and have the bun like this. Oh, can't even see it. Like that. No, that looks ratchet as hell. Now we're going down. It's easier for me. So now how I normally do my hair down, I part the front because this bit is going to cover the back anyway. So you want to do the front bit here, tie it up. You want to do this bit here. You can even finger part it. Tie it up. And then you want to focus on the back. Now I'm going to pull my hair, comb my hair back because it's been in the middle part, so it's trying to like separate itself. Oh god, I can't even comb that. I don't even want to. So it's because it's trained to be like this, it's kind of hard to get it like that. So let me just brush it into this direction. And to put it in one, we're going to be using the olive oil pudding. I've decided I'm not going to like list what I use in my description link anymore because I don't get paid for that. I don't get paid at all for this at all. So if you do want to know what I've used, feel free to comment and I'll let you know. Once that's done and I've moisturized the back, I just want to brush it up into that one. Ooh, the arm strength. And then I'm going to take my hairband and tie it up. Now what I should have done is use my detangling therapy like Aunt Jackie used to like detangle the back of my head, but I'm so flustered right now that my brain isn't really working, so I'm gonna comb out the puff bit here. It isn't neglected while I put it in this braid. Comb it out. I'm happy with this, how it comes. Ooh, I let that little ponytail go. I could have had a real ponytail. Anyway, once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna just braid that up nice and tight. And it makes it easier for me when I'm ready to actually comb my hair. When I take it out, it'll be nice and detangled. And yeah, got my little ponytail on the back doing its craziness. So now I want to focus on the front. My hair is basically already middle parted because I'm a middle part mad person. So let me just comb out the front bit here. I'm gonna, as I should have, moisturize the ends and like my hair so that it's not going into a hairstyle like. See, I already have some putting in my hair in the front because with my braids I always put it in the front, but we're gonna just give it a little bit more, and we are going to flatten it. Now I love the way that pudding makes my hair look and feel, but it curls up my hair. So we're going to also be using gummy to, I guess, lay this hair down and keep it still. Gummy is my favorite when it comes to like edges and like sleek hairstyles. So just gonna brush that in. I'm praying I don't get any cool. Got that bit. Let me do this side as well. Some pudding. Cool. Now, once I'm happy with both sides, oh, I need to put some gummy on this side. But you look how shiny that is. That's so beautiful. I'll put some gummy on this side to lay this bit down. Ugh. So I don't really like the way that looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to brush it in a way that my hair kind of sweeps over a little bit. If it looks clunky, it looks clunky. I need the front. I need the front to stay lay down. What I need right now is my tangle teaser to like put down these harsh bits. What do I do? I don't like this bit here. It looks fine. I mean, it can do. It will do. Now, before I put my ponytail on, I'm going to do my edges because right now I'm not really feeling what's going on here. I don't like how harsh it looks on my hairline. In fact, I don't even have a damn hairline. I should have probably done my edges before I put it in these. I'm gonna push this hair back because let's see if it goes right or it just looks mad silly. Oh, I don't have time for it. I just want to brush that back, any flyaways that I created. And we're going to be taking my drawstring ponytail. I'm going to wet it a little bit with my spray bottle because I don't like this dry look. I like it when it looks a little bit wet. And my hair looks kind of wet, so it would make sense for the back to correlate. I'm going to put some of this in it, which is the detangle therapy, just to smoothen it out a little bit. More nourished, moisturized, and less dry. My drawstring ponytail, I've got this from Better Length. Again, if you don't want to know deets and stuff, I will let you know. Cool. Now that the black is doing what it needs to do, I'm going to make sure that the combs on this bad boy stick into my hair. You see them combs? There's two combs, one on the top, one on the bottom. Let me stick the top first. Priorities. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull the drawstring just to let my hair know something's on it and it needs to wrap around whatever's going on here. I think that's snug on my head. I think so. I'm just gonna take the string. Normally I would tie it, but I don't really need to. I just wrap it around. Wrapped it around. I could take a piece of hair and also wrap that around. Am I going to? That's another question. Let me do it. Take a piece on the back, underneath. Let me moisturize that so that it doesn't look crazy. And gonna wrap it around the base. And this, I guess, adds extra security as well, because now it feels tighter. You can pin that, but today I'm feeling lazy, so I'm going to leave it alone. And there we have it. Got yourself a sleek back ponytail. If you want to, you can split it in two. You can come around here. I like it in the back. But yes, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this. I was not in the best of moods today because I'm trying to get so much done, but I needed to get this video done for you guys. It's Valentine's Day, and yeah, it's Valentine's Day. It would be wrong for me not to record. So yeah, probably not gonna be watching this on Valentine's Day anyway, so it wouldn't even really matter. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe if you already subscribed. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your girl Shianne Diamond, and I am out.
Baby, can you focus?